Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save all the GIFs from a Telegram channel directly to your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, exporting GIFs is now easier than ever. Let's walk through the entire process step by step so you can keep your favorite animated moments safe and organized. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the channel from which you want to export GIFs. Click on the channel's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the channel's contact information panel, where you'll see more details about the channel and its content. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Export Chat History. This is the key feature that allows you to save not just messages, but also all the media shared in the channel, including those fun GIFs. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here you'll see checkboxes for different types of content: photos, videos, voice messages, stickers, and of course, GIFs. Make sure to check the box next to GIFs. If you only want the GIFs, you can uncheck the other boxes, but you can also export multiple types of media at once if you wish. Before you hit export, you can also adjust the download size limit, choose the date range for the export, and select where on your computer you want the files to be saved. Once everything looks good, click the Export button and let Telegram do the work. Depending on the amount of content, the process could take a few moments. When the export is finished, you'll be able to access a folder on your computer containing all the GIFs from the channel, neatly organized and ready to use. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can now archive all your favorite GIFs from any Telegram channel on your PC, thanks to the latest update. Enjoy your collection, and don't forget to check out more Telegram tips to make the most of your messaging experience.